Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a IoT based 6 DOF robotic arm. And in this system, we designed here a robotic arm by using 6 servo motor and another components also. So let's check the full operation of our project first. This is the hardware overview of our project, and we included here a IoT platform screen record in our screen in right side. So its project title is IoT based 6 DOF robotic arm is showing in our IoT platform screen, and here we included 6 slider in our IoT platform, and this every single slider will be control our separate servo motor of this robotic arm. So now we just check our every servo motor from our every single slider, and when we can confirm that our all servo motor is working here properly, at that moment we will try to show you to move a object from one side to another side. So you see here that our all servo motors is working here properly, and our last, that means our 6th number servo is checking now, and it's our base servo motor, and it's also working here properly. So let's shift this object that is showing here in front of this robot, and we will try to shift this object from right side to left side, and on that case we need to rotate our gripper, and you see here that our gripper is open now, and now we will set this object in the middle of this gripper. So we are trying here to catch this object by using our robotic arm, and to show you properly we rotate our gripper and we catch this object more hardly. So we will try to move this object to upper side now, and you see here that our robot is easily moving this object to upper side, and now we will shift this object with our robotic arm to our left side. Now we need to move this object in lower side or in our basement, and it's now near of this basement. We need to open our gripper, and then our object is set here in this basement. Now we release our gripper, and then we will go our previous position, and that's why we move our robotic arm to our right side and we stop in our previous position. This was the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again, and Allah Hafiz.